Hi guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install Chrome browser on your Firestick device. This is very simple and easy video for every Firestick user. Make sure to stay with me till the end and that you don't miss anything. First of all, what you have to do, you need to press remote home button for 3 seconds and here click on settings option. Now find here my FireTV option. Once you have find my FireTV option, then click on. Now click on developer option. Scroll down apps from unknown source and press select button on remote. A message will appear on your screen. Now select turn on. So the apps from unknown source has been enabled. Go back to home screen by pressing remote home button. Now here what you have to do, you need to click on search icon above the menu. Now type here downloader. Once you have typed DOW, then suggestion below downloader, then click on. Now click on orange color downloader app. Then click on download button. So the downloader has been downloaded. Now click on open button. Permission allow. Okay. Now click on search bar and type here firesticklab.com/chrome apk. After type link, then click on go button. Once you have clicked go button, then downloading will be start. Chrome browser has been downloaded, so what you have to do, you need to click on install button. After installing Chrome browser, then delete APK file. Now click on home button and again remote home button, press for 3 seconds and here as you can see apps and click on. Now here as you can see all installed application on Firestick Amazon device. So I am opening Chrome browser. So use this method, you can download Chrome browser on your Firestick Amazon device. So I hope this video was really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.